Alright, going downhill into the last official weekend of February. February 19th, 2025, seeing he's here. Good afternoon to you. 12:40, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barrett's Main Outpost 128.8 with the video lineup for you. Northbound Sandload decides to head on its way out. And so far, it looks to be the S773 81 of the 19th. And you just saw doing the honors deleted. That's my next new C6M rebuild of the class leader 3400. That was previously GECX nee-BNSF 4582. Doing the honors. Rear DPU will be the Tier 4 of the ET44AC of the 3180, sporting the Holden Canadian K3L. As that led on the westbound move since around the 900 hour. They will be followed by the returning L51981 of the 19th, with the SG62 of the 5466 and 5426 at it again. Now the 773 has slowed. And we'll be ready to do the uphill climb on the North Y and enter the Superior Submain from Control Point West Ladysmith. Let's check out the rest of that 773 81 of the 19th as we lean back and get them. Here we go. And I hear the rear GPU now of the 3180. SOS X33 563 to bring up the last of it. How about that? And as you've seen, that's 102 sand loads there. And total axle is 420. So that's going to do it for today's S773 81 of the 19th. And we'll do it for my next new C6M rebuild of the class leader 3400. That was again previously GECX nee-BNSF 4582. And the rear DPU of ET44AC 3180, sporting the Holden Canadian K3L. And that will do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, on this very cold afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See ya, and he's out.